Hey everyone, it's Rob Cosman from sellingfromthebeach.com, and I want to get this video out pretty quickly because this just happened the other day, and I think it's really important. And the sooner people get to it, the sooner we can hopefully get you some cash back. So what I want to talk about today is canceling shipments, like your canceled shipments for Amazon, FBA, like inbound, and requesting reimbursements for those. Before we get started, please hit the like button, and I want to hear your comments below. If hopefully this works out for you, please let us know if you get some money back at the end. I really think this is super powerful, and we've seen some great examples, so I want to take you through it and get it out there, okay? First of all, grab a copy of my book if you haven't. It's on Amazon. I've got the links below. You can get it directly from me, an e-version or a hardcover, softcover on Amazon. But it's great. It doesn't matter if you're brand new selling at Amazon or you've been at it for a bit and you just want to dig in. I mean, I packed this book full of tons of knowledge and nuggets. I know you'll find some value from it. So please grab a copy. 5-star reviews would be awesome. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, if you're not in my Facebook group, get in it now. Facebook.com/groups/selling from the beach. And this method came out, all credit to Max. Max Scott is a good friend of mine. He is, I call, a group expert. The guy knows a lot about Amazon. He's been selling for a number of years, and he posted this. And as of the time of taping, this was 3 days ago. I just took the screen grab, so all the credit goes to him. But I'm going to walk through some of like how we got there and what you want to do. But it's all him. He put this out there, and someone right away got a massive reimbursement. So I wanted to film a video about it and just talk about exactly what to do, and hopefully you can find some cash too. But it's all Max. Max drops nuggets usually every other week. He puts some super valuable post out, something he's figured out and shares with the community, and definitely helps out. So check it out, join the group. You can see this post, and hopefully you'll recover some cash, and you can comment a follow-up as well. Okay, so let's break it down. What these are FBA shipping labels that you've canceled or been deleted, and you were still actually charged for it. So when you go through and you do your partner shipping and you send stuff in and it says, okay, hey, do you want to put this label? It costs you $6.95, $20, whatever it is. Okay, you're going to send that in. So these are ones that you actually canceled. And some of them you were actually charged for still. So we're going to go through and figure out, okay, if there is some that you were charged, we're going to request reimbursements and try to get money back. So when you go through, you basically have 9 months to go back. Amazon will let you go back 9 months and try to get the reimbursements. So like for me, we cancel, every once in a while you cancel something, but usually if you cancel within 24 hours, they don't charge you and it gets deleted. But these are ones that might have slipped through the cracks, or maybe you were outside of the 24 hours and you didn't realize. But anyhow, this is what we're going to find. So you're going to go to your shipping queue. You're going to do this in whichever market, both markets, like isellin.ca and .com. So I would go through both and check it. You're going to go to your FBA shipping queue, which I'm showing you here, and you're just going to sort the status by deleted and canceled. And then you're going to look in each one of those. Now, this is what you're looking for. You're going to look, and it's going to show you either the top one, which is the partner shipping cost to be calculated, nothing was there, zeros, or the bottom one, which is an example from what someone posted in my group after Max posted this. Hey, is this what it looks like? And this is $1,000, right? So he paid $1,000 and never actually sent it in. Okay, so then what happens? You've identified one, you're going to take this information and we're going to open a case with Amazon. So each of those, you're going to go to the help center and you're going to open a case. And I will cut and paste. I will put this in the description below, along with some links to the group, to my book, and some other stuff. So we're going to put it all below so you can copy and paste it in. Replace your shipment ID, obviously, with the right shipment ID that you have. But this is an example, again, that Max wrote. And request the money reimbursement. Okay? And this is what happens. Hopefully, you'll get reimbursed. Now, the bottom one, it's tough to see because this is a little small, but this is what Max had posted. He got one for $103, which was approved on a US dollar shipment. And then another gentleman in our group got his $1,000 reimbursement back. So that'll be posted in his account 24 hours, but he got the $1,000. So just by simply spending probably 2 minutes going through, checking your old shipments to see if there's anything canceled, and if you were charged for it, then open the cases, can put some money right back in your pocket. So what I want to know, watch this video again, go through very slowly, copy and paste if you find any cases you need to open, copy and paste, open the cases, try to get reimbursed. I want to see in the comments if you get reimbursed for it. Let me know. Did it work for you? Did you find any money? Because if it does, amazing. I want to hear about it. But another thing now, this is one type of reimbursement. There's all kinds of reimbursements. There's lost inbound inventory, transfers between warehouse, all that stuff. This one's easy. You should be doing it. You should check it. But there's so many more. That's when I use a service. So I use a company called Seller Investigators. Okay. So what they do is they access my account through a third party. I give them a login. Like if you use prep centers, use any, apps and stuff like that, you give them an API and they can go in and check things. So I give them this. I've had these guys now for, I think it's 6 years, maybe. I've been working with them. When they first started, I joined. They're amazing. They find me tons of money. So I started with these guys, and what they do is they'll go into your account, they'll run a bunch of reports, they'll go back as far as they can to begin with, which is usually the 90 days, and they'll look at all your transactions and everything that's moved all around, run a bunch of reports, match them up, see if stuff got lost. If stuff got lost or stuff got damaged, they will start opening cases manually, because they have a team in the Philippines that are doing them. They'll open the case and request reimbursements. Okay, they will take a percentage only if they find you money. There's no upfront fee, there's no minimum. So what do you have to lose? Like if you've gone through it and you think, you're pretty good at finding reimbursements, I guarantee they're probably going to find something that you haven't, because the amount of reports and things they run is crazy. So even if you sign up, use my link below. They will actually, if you use my link below, they will take less than what they put on their website. So you get an extra 5% off of what they take as a fee. And how it works is they'll open cases, you'll get reimbursed from Amazon, it goes into your account. Then at the end of the month, when they figure out, okay, how much do we recover for you, they will charge your credit card the percentage, right? Because it's just whatever they find, then they charge a percentage. They have no way to go into your account and take out the money or anything, so they have to charge a credit card to get their fees for what they've done. So again, give it a shot. I'll put the link below. As I said, like if you go in my group, which you should, join the group, search Seller Investigators, or their old name, which was FBA Investigators. Search that in the group and you'll find posts that were like from 5 or 6 years ago when we first started using these guys, and the amount of money that people have recovered. They'll show you screenshots. It's mind-boggling. So if you don't have anybody doing it, or if you do and you're not happy, get these guys. So first, go through those ones, see if you can find any old partner shipping ones that you can get money back for. Second, sign up with these guys if you haven't, and hopefully we'll put some more money back in your pocket. Again, join our group. Facebook group is sellingfromthebeach.com. It's super easy to find it, and grab my book if you want, hopefully. Give it a like. I want to hear below if this works out and you find some money. It'd be great to hear. Hopefully this puts more cash back in your pocket. Again, this is something that if it was me, I would set up a monthly reminder, the first of the month or middle of the month, end of the month, something in your calendar that says, hey, do this, every month. Let's go back and let's look at our canceled ones, open up some cases, and see if you can get some money back. So hopefully this helps you out and find some more money. Subscribe to the channel. Wait for the next video. Bye, guys.